good? Welcome to Easy Eats in Osaka, Japan. I forgot my mic for this part, so bear with me. I'm gonna try out some takoyaki, because, you know, Osaka. So to kick off the Japan food vlogs, the first spot we hit up was Kukuru for some takoyaki, because you know you gotta get some when you're in Osaka. So here it is. It's like melting when I grab it. As you can see here, it was really hot. I almost burned my mouth while eating this, but it was actually very delicious, very soft, very chewy, very flavorful. I really like the flavors, and definitely beats takoyaki back home, because takoyaki back home is very spongy, whereas this one was very soft and moist. Next spot here, me and Pita eating some conveyor belt sushi. I got a salmon belly right here. Try it out. Here, cheers. What do you want? Cheers.
I got this.
Oh.
Ooh, what does it look like?
Oh, that's the like broiled one. I don't know. They call it whatever.
This is the torched salmon.
Torched salmon with a
cheese or something on top. Cheers.
I'm gonna tear his ass up. I got the same thing. Try it out.
This is delicious.
It's so good. And people both got the fatty tuna. Fatty tuna. It's breaking apart. It's breaking apart. Regular tuna right here.
Oh.
The wasabi's strong in that. Oh. Gotta be careful at conveyor belt sushi, because you eat so fast, it just adds up. The plates add up so quick.
Grilled mackerel.
Grilled mackerel. Okay, the regular tuna is not as good as the fatty tuna, for sure. For sure. A little scrimp. Oh, I lost it.
Oh, the mackerel's really good. What is this? Squid? Man.
I like squid. I like some squid. Salmon belly. A little crab meat action here.
Oh shit, that's huge.
It's so big. Oh my god.
Holy shit, you're eating so fast.
I'm hungry, man. A1, baby. I'll put the name of the place in the video. Alright, so I got this thing called
I have tuna.
I had this thing called arc shell. I don't know what it is. You want to try it? Yeah, I don't know what arc shell is. Probably like some type of like.
Looks kind of like geoduck. Sure.
Wait, cheers in here. Cheers. Going in. It's kind of bouncy like squid. I don't know what that is.
Very fishy.
Yeah.
Very fishy. Almost like geoduck, but not as chewy.
Yeah. The dick.
Kind of tastes like a more firm scallop.
All right, let's try this one. The minced tuna.
Then tuna.
Going in. Cheers. Honestly, I don't like that one. I don't like that one that much. I don't like that one that much. A little mushy. A little too mushy for my liking. And a little too like. What's the aftertaste? It's a weird aftertaste. I don't really like it. But I'll eat the other one because I'm paying for it. Fuck. That one's mid for me. What do you think, Peter?
Not bad. Eric's right, it's a little chewy. But it kind of coats your whole tongue and your mouth with the fatty tuna. So, I don't know, at the end of the day you get the same flavors. It's just a texture thing.
Yeah, it's a texture thing. I'm a big texture guy when I eat. I don't really like it when it's just too mushy. It feels like I'm being mama bird. So yeah, but not bad.
The next day.
All right, the next day, everybody. And today, still in Osaka, we are at the Roman Ichiban Market and about to dive into some otoro. Look at this famous shop. It looks crazy, people lining up for it. And he cut, so you purchase a fillet right there. Let me zoom in a little bit. Fillet right there. Whatever fillet, you can choose either the neck fat or the shoulder, and then you can choose to make it either a sashimi or a rice bowl or just sushi, and he cuts it right in front of you right there. So I'm so excited, about to dive in. We got the otoro, the fatty tuna, and the salmon. Look at that. Look at that. Sorry. Looking good. Try it out. Each put it on our plate. I'll try this one. The salmon first? Okay. Let me put a little wasabi. Not supposed to mix it, but whatever. Normally they don't, but. So we got the starting off with the salmon. Look at that. Right. Cheers, everybody. I don't think I got it. Yeah. I don't think I got it in the video, but cheers. Trying the salmon. That's silky. Silky smooth. Good. I like the cut. It's thick enough that you get a good bite. But then it's still pretty melty. That's bomb. Very good salmon. Salmon is one of my favorite. No.
Very good.
No. So I'll try one of these now. Look at that. The fatty tuna. The otoro. Remember in the old videos I called it totoro? Like the Studio Ghibli thing. Yeah, dip the fish side. Fish side in the soy. Right. Cheers. Cheers, Peter. Right, going in. Like butter, man. Just melts in your mouth, just dissolves, it's gone. You don't need teeth for that. Straight delicious. Otoro is so good. I love it.
Later.
Okay, so we're at a different spot now for sushi. We're at this like random like supermarket, and we got some more sushi. We got the, what is this, fatty tuna again? Or otoro again? Got more otoro, but look at that. Look crazy fatty in comparison. And then we got some more like other fatty tuna and the regular tuna, and then some salmon here and ikra on top. So we're gonna try it out, see how it compares to like the previous spot. So there's a bug here. What the fuck? But yeah, let's try it out. Let's try the salmon. It definitely doesn't look as crazy, not as thick cut as the previous place. A little thinner, but let me try the salmon first. Yeah, definitely not as smooth and silky as the previous one. Definitely tastes not as fresh. Let me try out the tuna. This one don't look too crazy. Pretty good though. But like, Still like kind of little, not silky, but not bad. A lot of rice in these pieces. So let's try the next piece, the medium fat one. Look at that. Dip sushi side. That's really good. Really good. Not too fishy. Nice. It's a little sweet. Very soft. Very silky. Now it's the main star of the show. Try out the. Oh my god! Look how big the piece is. Oh my goodness. It's a big piece of fish. Mmm. Good. But the first place was better just because it's more fresh and it was a lot silkier. This has more of a chew to it, but it's still really good. Can't go wrong with sushi in Japan.